wavy curly hair and little hairs here on top and here and everywhere, and your hair is just never slick, something like this. Hi sister, my name is Mariam and I know you struggle. And I have a hair in my mouth. So yes, today I'm doing a video about how I straighten my hair. As you can judge by the title, I'm going to show you some of my tips and tricks on how I basically do it and what I use. Because let me tell you, there is something, just a common mistake. So continue watching. Before putting any heat on your hair, you have to always remember this one step that I think many people forget about. Always use heat protection. The one that I'm using is Schwarzkopf OSIS Plus, I guess it's the name. It's just a regular heat protection. So what I'm doing first is I'm going to brush my hair. By the way, I washed my hair last night and I went to sleep, but it was almost already dry. Yes, but I haven't brushed it yet. Now my hair looks crazier than ever, but I'm ready to spray it with the heat protector. I like to do it both on the inside and on the outside. But of course, don't overuse it. It's kind of, for me, I used to have this rule: heat protection is never enough. It's always just great working, because I'm so afraid to damage my hair, because it's already, I think people with natural thick wavy curly hair will understand this. Usually curly wavy hair is not slick. So I think, and you want to keep your hair as healthy as you can and most slick, shiny looking, because my hair, when it's straightened, it looks shiny enough as usual hair, healthy hair, but when it's wavy in my natural way after I shower, it's just, it doesn't look that healthy, and yeah, the struggle is real. And if I damage my hair with heat, I don't know what's going to happen then and how my hair is going to look after this. So trust me, heat protection is something everyone needs. If you want your hair to look healthy, if you want to have a healthy look, to have a good hair, you have to use heat protection. And don't forget to go through all your hair, on the inside, on the outside, from everywhere, from all the angles, so that everything is absorbed in that heat protection. And here is my heat protector, and here is my straightener, and it's a great straightener. You can regulate the temperature here. I use usually 210 degrees for my curly wavy hair. So how many months it's been? Let me count. September, October, November, December, January. I bought it 5 months ago. What I would suggest you do is you buy a straightener with a name on it that says Babyliss. Not necessarily on it, but I guess it is. Mine says Babyliss Pro, but I guess any Babyliss works. I would suggest you buy them because they're not expensive, but they're very good quality. I'm going to turn it on and put it on temperature 210. Yes. So what I do is I separate my hair usually in 3 parts, sometimes in 4. So the first layer, I use some clip. And I'm going to be honest with you, I am very afraid of accidentally touching the straightener. It's so hot, I'm scared. If hairs on your bottom, on your first layer, not as straight as you wanted them to be, don't worry, because there are lots of hair that are going to cover them up, so it's fine. And then just go with the straightener. Now we're doing the top layer, and the top layer matters the most. So here is my hair straightened. Oh yeah, wow, now it's no longer a bob. You know what you can do after your hair is, I know that you're not supposed to, like, you don't have to brush it after, but I like to do that because I like my hair just feeling so slick and just the best feeling ever, honestly. And what you can do is you can take your straightener and straighten some of the hairs, and mostly I don't do it to the whole part of the hair. I do it only on the on my ends, just like this, and then somewhere in the middle, because it gives you this nice look of your silk healthy ends. This is my tutorial. I just love, guys, I cannot compare it to anything else. Kind of now, just by straightening my hair, it took me like 15 minutes. I have a whole different look of a person that took care of herself. You know, I've been thinking about doing a video on how to look expensive or rich when you're not. And one of the things, like, I'm giving this away, but it's fine. Seriously, silk straightened hair. So yes, this is for today's video. I'm sorry. This is it for today's video. I hope it gives you some of the clues, some of the things how to do it. Maybe you have never straightened your hair before and you're looking forward to do this. And it's seriously, I can't stop touching it. I don't need to touch it. I don't have to touch it. It's kind of bad because it kind of gets your hair greasy. Yes, so this is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this channel for this, if you accept this challenge of straightening the hair. It just feels great. If you can relate to this, please like this video. I know you relate to this. This feels great. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, my Snapchat, and my Twitter. I love Instagram. I post on Instagram daily. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you with the next video very, very soon. Bye!